Take your content marketing strategy far beyond traditional SEO tactics with content pillars. Starting with your most relevant focus areas, Auxigen builds a map of 35 pieces of content. Each pillar is a comprehensive guide to the topic. Creating robust pillar content establishes your brand as an authority on the subject. The pillar is then surrounded by cluster content, each piece focused on a subtopic. This content takes your knowledge further and showcases a deep understanding of this subject for your target audience and search engines. Building a linking strategy for all this content gives you a solid internal structure and boosts SEO and user experience for maximum effectiveness. Backed by keyword research and user intent prioritization, content pillars will take your web visibility to a new level. The increased search rankings are great, but ultimately, it's about creating a content ecosystem that captivates and engages your audience.